In Studio Artist 5, you'll open a new source and set the canvas to 1080p. This area is the paint action sequence. When you hit the action button, it will apply those combinations to the source. If we want to make a minor tweak, go to the Image Operations panel, select Sketch, and go down to Line Sketch 6. To see how that looks, hit the Action button and you'll see it applied. Hit Command Z to undo, otherwise it will keep compiling those actions on top of one another. You can tweak that setting further by going into the editor. You can see how it will look by hitting the Action button again. If you like it, hit Command Z. We want to add that specific action to the paint action sequence recipe. Hit the record button, then hit action again. You'll see that specific action added to the paint action sequence. Uncheck record. If you like the result, erase it. Now we will apply all of these actions together from the paint action sequence. Select paint action sequence from the drop-down and hit action to test it out. You can save the actions by right-clicking. I will provide you with a file which you'll need to place here. I'll also provide you a version of the additional line. However, if you want to tweak that line, you'll have to erase it from the paint action sequence and reapply it with its new parameters as I've just shown you. Once you're ready to process, go to Action, Process with Paint Action Sequence, and choose Image to Image. It's important here when you create a new folder, it's named with Hatch in all caps. Studio Artist will name the new file exactly the same as the source file, unfortunately. Studio Artist will now process the entire batch. You can hit the space bar if you need to stop it. Be sure that when you import the new hatched version, you locate it and rename it. And be sure you interpret footage to 12 frames per second.